video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a client-side account on the company website and to make sure that you're assigned to yourself. This is important because when you ever come to the company site, if you want to show a client how to search for properties and you have to log in, if you're not assigned to yourself, you may be automatically assigned to a different agent, and that causes some confusion when you're looking at a listing and you keep seeing the same agent's photo and things everywhere. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this URL. You should have received a link to this in your email that has your login information for IDXBroker. So this is a special link that you can use. You can set up your own domain name, johnsmith.com, and we can forward it to this URL, and you can put it on your business cards if you don't have your own website. This URL has a special code attached to the end of it that has your special agent ID on it. What happens is when somebody visits this URL, it'll actually put a cookie on their computer and assign that lead to you. So when I say you can buy a domain name like johnsmithsellsrealestate.com or something like that and forward it to this URL, that's a masked URL. It's kind of like a P.O. box, if you will, and it's an easier way to give out your domain name than using this big long string. And we are happy to help you with that. If you need help setting that up, you just send us an email and say, I want to set up a domain name and I need some help. But I'm using it as an example because you can use this URL anywhere that you want. And every time somebody goes to it, it will make sure that it cookies their computer and that you get the lead. So you can feel comfortable sending your clients to the company website and knowing that when they fill out a form and they do a search and they hit the search button, and they sign up to receive alerts or create an account or favorite a property, that you're going to get that lead. So to start out, what I want you to do is go to your URL that is in the email, and this is actually going to prove to you and show you how it works. When you go to this link, you're just going to hit the search button and it will bring you to this page where you're going to see some property results. So once you're here, just try to favorite one. You can either save a search or favorite a property. And then you're going to fill in your information. So I'm going to put my information in there. And I'm going to hit sign up. Now this is going to go ahead and go to a thank you page, and in 5 seconds it's going to forward me back to the page that I was on. Now I have created an account as a client. You as the agent are going to be doing this so that you can have yourself as a client in your IDXBroker dashboard. And again, so that in the future you can log in if you need to, and you can, if you have to log into the site for any reason, you're always assigned to yourself and another agent isn't getting alerts for you. So that's all I did right here. If I favorite any more properties, this is what your client is going to see. And I want you to understand this so that you can know what your client can do on this site. The client can also save a search. They can visit their account. When they go to their account, it's going to give them a little tutorial and show them how everything works. They have their saved searches here, which they can actually name. They can edit their the search itself if they want to view listings, edit. But they can view listings for this search. They can favorite more homes. They can unfavorite homes and remove them if they want, and they will receive price updates for properties as they change prices. And they'll receive new properties that hit the market that match this search that they did. So all of that's going to happen in the account. Once I'm in my agent account as well, and I go to my leads, you will see now that I am in here as a lead. So this went ahead and automatically assigned me to Georgie because I used her agent ID and her page to start my search from with this little code on the end. This works on any of the IDXBroker pages, by the way. So if you take this little code, !agent header ID, and you can use it on any of the search pages, any of these pages as well as the free home valuation. So if you were to give out this link right here and put that little code on the end, it would automatically cookie the user's browser. Now, once I'm logged in or once I go to this header, if I go to any other search page, my browser is already cookied. So I can go anywhere I want as long as that URL starts with something different than my company name, like real estate or homes for sale. I'm already cookied and that lead will go to you. So that's how the agent header ID works. It'll work on any of the IDXBroker pages. If you guys have any questions, you need help setting up your own domain name pointing to your agent header ID or anything like that, we are happy to help you. We're your support team and we will guide you through it. Just give us a call or shoot an email over to support@yoursiteneedsme.com.